Barcelona vs Real Madrid 3-2, El Clasico Supercopa final. Has it happened? Barcelona edges Real Madrid 3-2 in Supercopa final. Live updates, post-match coverage, and commentary recap available. Are tech giants killing cold outreach? Tech giants' new features may signal the decline of cold outreach, impacting sales dynamics. The Ask Reason for Calling feature on Apple devices is a potential game changer, potentially reducing the human touch in sales. What does everyday peace look like? Mapping how people think about peace building. Yale research explores diverse views on everyday peace in conflict-affected societies, providing insights to guide global peace-building policies. Live, Nigeria vs Mozambique, AFCON 2025. Follow our live coverage of Nigeria vs Mozambique match in the AFCON 2025, featuring team news, score updates, and text commentary. Nigeria vs Tunisia 3-2, AFCON 2025 as it happened. In an exciting AFCON 2025 match, Nigeria edged out Tunisia 3-2 in Fez, securing a crucial win in the Africa Cup of Nations. Stay tuned for more updates from the Super Eagles campaign. The Doomsday Glacier is getting closer and closer to irreversible collapse. Thwaites Glacier, dubbed the Doomsday Glacier, is rapidly cracking and may soon collapse. According to a 20-year analysis, this could have severe global implications. Blank canvas or tone deaf? Pantone's white color of the year sparks backlash. Critics label Pantone's choice of white as the color of the year as tone deaf, sparking a divided opinion within the design community. Thuma Classic Bed Frame Review. Functional meets fabulous. The Thuma Classic Bed Frame offers a stylish, tool-free setup with a unique Tetris-like stacking process, merging functionality with charm. Exclusive Nasdaq seeks to extend trading hours. As Wall Street gears up for 24/7 move, Nasdaq is planning to extend trading hours, signaling Wall Street's shift towards 24/7 operations. Exclusive Goldman Sachs reshapes TMT Investment Group to focus on digital infrastructure and AI deals. Memo says, Goldman Sachs restructures TMT Investment Group to prioritize digital infrastructure and AI deals. According to a memo, Villa keep pressure on top two thanks to Rodgers double. Aston Villa mounts a comeback against West Ham, thanks to Morgan Rodgers double, keeping the pressure on the top two spots in the league. The end of OpenAI and other 2026 predictions. In a futuristic outlook, 2026 predictions include a transformative next-gen Siri that could spark human-AI emotional connections. The Vergecast discusses this and more with Joanna Stern. Subscribe on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Overcast, Pocket Casts, and more. Analysis. Oracle Broadcom 1-2 punch hits AI trade, but investor optimism persists. Oracle Broadcom deal could impact AI trade, yet investor optimism remains steady. High School Musical 3 Feet actor Matt Prokop arrested on child pornography charges. Reports say, KY3. Former Disney star Matt Prokop arrested on child pornography charges in Texas. Reports say, beloved singer, songwriter dies with 5 others in plane crash, UL.com. Tragic plane crash claims life of beloved singer, songwriter, aged 34, along with 5 others. Grateful Dead archivist remembers Bob Weir, a guitar player unlike any other, Rolling Stone. Grateful Dead archivist David Lemieux pays tribute to Bob Weir, calling him a guitar player unlike any other. Kelly Clarkson gives rare update on kids 5 months after death of their dad. Her ex-husband Brandon Blackstock, Yahoo! Singer Kelly Clarkson provides a rare update on her children 5 months after the death of their father. Her ex-husband Brandon Blackstock, who was her manager for over a decade and passed away following a battle with skin cancer. A newly brunette Lisa goes dark and edgy for the Golden Globes 2026 Vogue. Lisa steps into the spotlight with a bold brunette transformation and edgy beauty look for the Golden Globes 2026. As revealed by Vogue, chefs confessed the 10 cooking rules they break constantly, and why you should, too. BuzzFeed. Breaking the rule of not mixing fish and cheese. Chefs reveal their common culinary shortcuts, suggesting you might want to give them a try too. Bruno Mars Tour 2026. How to get tickets for the Romantic Tour, pre-sale times, prices and more. Yahoo! Bruno Mars announces the Romantic Tour in 2026. Here's your guide to pre-sale times, prices, and ticket purchases.